Hello my dear students, Arshdeep Kaur here. This is your physics class for standard 9th. So my dear students, in my previous videos I have explained article number 8.1 to 8.5 of chapter light. Now in this video I am going to explain article number 8.6, effect of rotation of mirror on the reflected ray. इट मीन कि अगर हम मिरर को रोटेट करेंगे किसी एंगल पे, ठीक है, तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे पे क्या चेंजेस आएंगे, ठीक है, और इंसिडेंट रे हम इसमें सेम रखेंगे तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज में क्या चेंजेस आएंगे, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल just understand this diagram. Okay, to understand the topic watch the video till end. Okay, so let us first understand this diagram. Now you can see I have used two color pen. First one is red and then blue. Now first of all, the initially the mirror is mm, that is a red color mirror. This red color is for initial and this blue one is for after rotation. Okay, this mm is the mirror which is initially at the position. Then this ray, let us call it AO. AO is the incident ray that is strikes on mirror mm at point O. It means O is the point of incidence. Okay, then this ON is the normal to the mirror mm. Okay, after strike on the mirror, the ray of light just reflected along O. This one is a B, along OB. It means AO is incident ray and OB is a reflected ray. ON is the normal and mirror is MM. Okay, now let us just rotate the mirror through an angle theta. Okay, that is M1. This M1 is the new position of the mirror after rotating with an angle theta. Then after rotation the new normal is ON1. Okay, ON1 is the new normal. Okay, you can see I just incident angle is OA, just this blue color arrow I just shown here, this OA. Okay, or AO is the incident ray on M1. Okay, then reflected rays, just now angle become theta plus I, this one. Okay, the reflected angle is theta plus R, this one. Let us take it as OC. Okay, this OC is the reflected ray. Okay, first of all, in first position, okay, in first position initially first of all I'm going to take initially mirror is mm. Okay, then angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction by laws of reflection. Therefore angle I is angle AON is equal to angle NOB. Okay, now after rotation of a mirror become M1. Okay, then angle AON1 is equal to angle N1OC. Okay, why? Because of laws of reflection. It means angle theta plus I is equal to angle theta plus R. Okay, theta plus I is equal to theta plus R. So let this be equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. So now angle AOB, this total angle AOB, it means this one total angle AOB, ठीक है, AOB total angle. Then we can say angle AOB is equal to angle AON plus angle NOB. Now you can see here angle AOB is sum of angle AON and NOB. Now AON and NOB both are I plus I is equal to 2I using 1. Okay, now using 1, I is equal to R, it means I plus I is equal to 1. This is I plus R. It means angle AOB is 2I. Now same as angle AOC. Now angle AOC, what about that? Let's see. AOC, this is AOC. AOC means this one total angle AOC. Now AOC is sum of AON1 and N1OC. It means angle AOC is equal to angle AON1 plus N1OC. Now this is theta plus I plus theta plus R. Now using equation number 2, theta plus I is equal to theta plus R. It means we can write it as theta plus I plus theta plus I is equal to 2 theta plus 2I is equal to AOC. Okay, let it be equation number 4 and this is equation number 3. Now we have 4 equation, 1, 2, then total angle AOB, total angle AOC. Now we want to find the shift in the reflected ray. Now shift in the reflected ray is BOC. Okay, now how can we find BOC? Now to find this shift in the reflected ray, we have to subtract angle AOB from angle AOC. Then we are going to find this. Okay, this one total we know, this much we know, and we want to find this one. Okay, जे आपको total angle पता है और ये half आपको पता है, we want to find this angle, then we have to subtract. So you can write it as subtract 4 minus 3. Okay, 4 minus 3 gives. Now equation number 4 is angle AOC minus angle AOB is equal to what we have, 2 theta plus 2I minus 2I. 2I से 2I cancel, we have 2 theta. AOC minus AOB is equal to BOC. It means angle BOC is 2 theta. तो what it mean, BOC is equal to 2 theta. Now बेटा theta आपके पास क्या है? Theta is the rotation. Theta is the angle of rotation of the mirror. It mean we can say that for a given incident ray, if the plane mirror is rotated through an angle theta, okay, then the reflected ray, this OC reflected ray rotates through twice the angle. इट मीन कि अगर आपके पास ये थीटा आप रोटेट करते हो मिरर को 15 डिग्री एंगल से रोटेट कर रहे हो तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे कितना आगे हो जाएगी, 30 डिग्री आगे हो जाएगी, डबल हो जाएगी जी. अगर आप पहले ही मिरर को 30 डिग्री एंगल से कर रहे हो तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे कितना शिफ्ट करेगी, 60 डिग्री से रिफ्लेक्टेड रे क्या कर जाएगी, शिफ्ट कर जाएगी. Okay, so this one is the effect of rotation of a mirror on the reflected ray. Keep in mind that we just take the incident ray same, कि incident ray same है, just reflected ray पे क्या rotation का effect होगा, that we just discussed in that. Okay, so hope so you just like the video, so like, share and comment the video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.